Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the delicious world of layered bread. From savory to sweet, join us as we explore creative recipes and techniques to elevate your bread to new heights. So let's begin with the cooking. I have taken 2 cups all-purpose flour, that is called Maida. Sieve it. 1.5 cup water. Heat the water to a lukewarm water. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1.5 teaspoon of activated yeast. Mix everything together. Combine well. Don't be in a hurry. Add 1 tablespoon cooking oil, any vegetable oil you can take. Add lukewarm water gradually. Mix with a spatula. Knead dough with the help of your hand. Cover with cling film and keep it rest for 1 hour to 2 hours. After 1 hour, knead the dough well to remove excess air from the dough. Sprinkle some flour. Make small portions of dough and keep it covered with the cling film and keep it rest for 15 minutes. As you can see, our dough is turned very soft. Combine 1 tablespoon of cooking oil with 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Start rolling. You can apply flour as needed. I have rolled 4 dough balls separately. You can add more or less. Apply melted butter over it and sprinkle some flour. Place each on top with applying butter with the help of your hand. Don't be in a hurry. A good recipe takes time. As you can see, our first preparation is done. Prepare rest of the rolled dough in the same pattern. First butter, sprinkle some flour and place each top of them. Cover it and keep it rest for 15 minutes to get better results. Take vessel, turn downwards to the flame and grease with oil. You can take any cooktop. Preheat the cooking pot on a medium flame. With the help of your hand, start rolling dough and apply oil as needed. Place flatbread to the cooking pot. Cook for 30 seconds each side until the color changes. Don't be in a hurry. Apply butter on both the sides. Applying butter, it's completely optional. With the help of tongue, you can flip it. Cover with cloth to maintain moisture. Now I will make another flatbread and will spread with the help of oil. Gently place to the cook pot. I repeat, do not be in a hurry, and the flame should be slow to medium. Apply butter if needed. Same 30 seconds each side until color changes. Our second flatbread is ready. Now I will make in pan also. I have taken non-stick pan. You can take any pan of your choice. In the same way, 30 seconds each side until color changes. Apply butter on both the sides. As you can see, it's looking very beautiful and its color is also changed. Flatbread is ready to eat. Thank you for joining us on this layered bread journey. Stay tuned for more mouth-watering recipes and baking adventures. Share your queries and views in the comment section. Till then, take care. Happy cooking. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.